That's not the answer I wanted. My camera roll in my phone is ridiculous. 84%. Gotta give the people what they want, Sunny Bear. I thought about lying about this. The results are in. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am looking a little bit worse for wear, and sounding a bit worse for wear actually, because I've just woken up, got up, did a quick skincare routine, turned the camera on. I'm very excited about filming today's video. This is well and truly one of Hannah's shower thoughts. I feel like this is the epitome of combining my two jobs. So today, my customers are going to control my day. We've got a few YouTuber elements in there. We've also got some small business vibes. I'm here for it. So yesterday on the Sunnyside Instagram account, I posted a whole load of polls. I haven't looked at the results, and today I'm going to use those polls to control my day. Obviously, all the jobs that I posted about will get done this week at some point. I just thought it would be a bit of fun today to see which jobs I'm gonna do. So the first one actually wasn't work related. It was for my makeup. Should I do an everyday makeup look or put a bit more effort in? Not gonna lie, I'm definitely hoping it's gonna be the everyday one because I can't be bothered with eyeshadow right now. And the result is 70% everyday makeup.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far.
Everyday makeup complete. Now let's go get dressed. Finally, the poll that I put on Instagram was, do I go for a casual comfy outfit, or again, do I make a bit more of an effort, something a little bit nicer? Now, if my customers, I love them, but if they've chosen something nicer, I'm gonna be sad because I'm literally just at home working today. I want to be comfy, I want to be cozy, so fingers crossed. Right, the results are in, and we have 69% casual and comfy. 31% still said something nicer. We go from PJs to what is essentially daytime PJs. My hoodie is from Boohoo and my flared trousers are from Pretty Little Thing. Comfy and casual as per your request. Look at her in the garden with her carrot. She's out there with my mum. My goodness, it's so sunny today, but while she's in the garden, she's looking at me through the window. I'm gonna get her breakfast ready. So another poll that I posted, do you know what? I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I know the answer for this one. I posted, should Sunny have her normal healthy breakfast, or should she have her butternut box but with a little special ham topping? I think a lot of people are going to say give her the ham. 84% said give her the ham topping. She's a lucky girl this morning. It's coming. You are such a lucky girl this morning, Sunny, because your friends said you could have a ham topping on your breakfast. So thank you, everyone.
We're going somewhere into the danger zone.
As for my breakfast, we have another poll. So this poll was, do I have a toasted bagel or porridge and banana? Now, a lot of my customers that don't watch my YouTube channel, don't follow me on Instagram, they don't know that at the minute I am obsessed with a toasted bagel. I have a fixation on a bagel in the morning at the moment, but I don't mind a little change if they've chosen the porridge and banana option. Toasted bagel. 69% again. So far this video is going very much in my favour. Sunny and I have both got full tummies now. So we're going to go for a little morning walk. I always do this before I start my work for the day just because after a walk Sunny will sleep for like maybe 2 or 3 hours. So it gives me plenty of time to get a lot of work done. Obviously, Sunny owns a lot of harnesses. So I thought a fun poll might be which harness should Sunny wear on our morning walk and our evening walk. So first of all, we've got the morning walk. And the options today were Burgundy Love. This is our best seller. Or one of the new designs, Sweet Cherry Blossom. I think this is now my favourite design that I sell. It's very muddy, as you can see. So, which one is Sunny gonna wear today? Drum roll, please. 61% Cherry Blossom. Oh, I'm glad you guys like the new design. And along the same lines, I also posted a poll to say, should I walk Sunny alone or with a friend? And the answer 84% said with a friend. My best friend Leanne is working evening shifts at the moment, so I'm going to drop Leanne a text, see if she's free in about half an hour for a morning walk. Oh, don't you look lovely? Oh, you're showing everyone. What a good girl. I love you. I forgot to film anything on our walk, but can you just quickly confirm that you did come for a walk with me?
Yes, we did go for a walk, I can confirm.
We've just got home, but I did walk with a friend today. I walked with Leanne. Anything else you'd like to say to the video?
I've just made some cheese on toast.
Oh, nice. As you saw, we're home from our morning walk. I'm now out in the office ready to start work for the day. First things first, I've got some orders to pack. Obviously, I wasn't going to do a poll for this bit. Shall I pack the orders or shall I play with the dog? Obviously, pack the orders. I'm a little bit obsessive. As soon as an order comes in, I feel like I want to pack it and send it straight away. The absolute maximum turnaround for me is 2 working days. I physically can't leave them any longer than that.
When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Orders for the day are complete and ready to take to the post office later. So the next poll, I actually can't remember what it was. Okay, next up, should I do a stock count or plan spring products? 82% said plan spring products, which I'm actually very glad about because I hate doing stock counts. It's not that I hate it actually, but on a nice day it feels like a shame. I like doing it when it's a rainy day. I can put a podcast on in the background. Today the sun is shining and I just don't feel like doing that. So I'm going to continue my plans for the spring products, which I've been doing for a couple of weeks now anyway. There's always more to plan though. You have to think really far in advance with these things. And there's actually a new product that I want to release in the spring, which hasn't been created before, and I'm currently in the process of figuring out measurements and things like that, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Basically had to make like essentially a PowerPoint for one of my suppliers to describe exactly what I need from this product, and fingers crossed when I send it over they're gonna say, yeah, we can do that, that's absolutely fine. Unfortunately, I can't show you this product just yet, but hopefully you'll see it in a few months' time when it's complete.
And it won't come easy, but I know it's worth the fight.
Just eaten lunch. I'm back from my lunch break. Had a lovely little tapas style lunch today. Feeling a little bit generous. I'm feeling like doing a giveaway. I like to do a giveaway every now and again on the Sunnyside page. I haven't done one for a while though actually. But my next poll was which set should I do a giveaway for. So I recently released 4 different designs. Here they all are on screen right now. And the winning set for the giveaway is Navy Nights by quite a long shot. 660 votes for Navy Nights. So I'm going to be giving away the full Navy Nights bundle. The full bundle retails for around £60, but if you purchase an entire bundle on the website, you can get £15 off. So this is the harness. I love the colour so much. It is such a beautiful shade of blue. This is the collar, the adjustable lead as well. The poo bag holder, such an essential. This clips onto the lead. You keep a roll of poo bags in here and you've always got them with you. And last but not least, a little bow. Good luck if you enter the giveaway. Sunny's having a good old sniff. When I'm busy, we play the bacon game, and she actually knows what the bacon game is now. So she has these little bacon dog treats, tear them up into tiny sections, and I hide them in the blankets, and I like roll the blankets up. She loves the bacon game. Do you love the bacon game? Say, oh, I love the bacon game. Bacon game. Bacon game.
Hello people, my name's Sunny. My birthday in May and I hope Honey gets me lots of presents.
We've got to do another job, Doodle Bear. So the next poll for today, I wonder how many times I've said poll in this video. Take product photos or schedule Instagram posts. 65% of my customers said take product photos. That's not the answer I wanted or needed. I absolutely love running Sunnyside. I love every minute of it, apart from when I have to take product photos. I just find it such a chore. I don't know why, because my products are so cute as well, and once I'm in the swing of it, then I enjoy it, but the thought of having to get everything out and all the equipment and the lighting, and oh, it feels like a lot of effort. And I actually need to schedule some Instagram posts, so I try and post on the Sunnyside account twice a day. That's on a good week. My camera roll in my phone is ridiculous. It is literally just product photos and dog pictures, and I like to schedule my Instagram posts, otherwise 1, I forget, and 2, it makes sure my feed looks neat. So I use an app called Plan. You do have to pay for it, but I think it's so worth it. Right now, product photos.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting.
You little miss. Sunny, I'm afraid it's time for you to do some work, my love, because I don't know who's paying your vet bill if you don't. Joking, joking. Next up is TikTok time. Did a little poll once again. I think you get the idea by now. I absolutely love small business TikTok. I love seeing people packing, creating, advertising their products in creative ways. So I posted 2 different TikToks for inspiration and asked my customers which I should recreate for my Sunnyside TikTok account. The first option is this one. And the second option is this one.
This is a work of art.
So we've got one that's a bit more light-hearted, just about Sunny. Who doesn't love a dog TikTok? Versus the other one, which is a product video. Both equally as important, in my opinion. And the winner, 67% said the video of Sunny. Gotta give the people what they want, Sunny Bear. Time for a tea break, mid-afternoon most days. I'll come back inside the house, I'll have a little play with Sunny. She's currently trying to get some treats out of some toys. So yeah, I'm gonna have my little cup of tea. I don't usually have anything to eat, but for the sake of this video I did a little poll. So with my cup of tea I asked, should I have biscuits or chocolate as a little snack, and the results are 54% chocolate. That's not what I was hoping for. Snacks I have with me currently are Maltesers and cherry flavoured Jaffa cakes. I don't want to hear your arguments. They're not a biscuit. I don't want to hear it. Biscuit, cake, tomato, tomato. But I suppose you're for another day, my loves.
Courthouse, and he doesn't see his mom.
Why do you look like the size of a Labrador there? It's time for our evening walkies. She hates the word walk. So we have another harness choice. 2 harnesses to choose from are the lilac stitched with love or the ice blue stitched with love. She's looking at me thinking, honey, are you gonna put that on me? I am, but which one, my love? So the results of the poll, 53% said lilac. I think that's our closest poll yet, is it not? Watch her put her leg in. Oh, you're so sweet, Sunny. Don't you look beautiful? I'm not gonna lie, for a split second I thought about lying about this. Only for a split second though, it's not in my nature. So I completely forgot about this poll. But I did post one saying, what should I do next? Clean the office or edit a packing reel? 55% said to edit the video. I completely forgot about it. I got so carried away working on that spring product that I started earlier. I've been talking to my supplier about it for most of the afternoon. I have designed it all on Photoshop. I've got the dimensions and everything done. Please trust that I spent about 2 hours designing this product. To be fair, only 1 poll out of this whole day didn't go quite to plan. I'm ending my day a very happy Han because my last poll was, should I have a shower or a bath at the end of my working day? And 78% of my customers, my lovely customers, said bath. Little bubble bath. Thank you very much. I look incredibly tired because I am, but I've just finished editing this video and that was my day controlled by my lovely customers. If you took part in the polls on Instagram, thank you. I really enjoyed filming this. I hope you enjoyed watching it too. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see my future videos. I upload every Sunday. But for now, I hope you're having a lovely week. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you again very soon with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.